Jong menengah singla berdolang di pelok beri negeri jajian nga sapuli deka English. Dengan snow ban ai kaburung kawakrau na banta tinong seng ya kapi Foray Football Academy berkentup ya iba hilang medem pada ba Frankie Karumnoi sebagian jeng ngatip hilai thulut hiyeki dari ka rukom man kini thu biang agano program bangin ai gitu tap hiyeki dari initiative ka ba hatam ban ai rinsan na buta ki don sa biswan te inang community nan smart ba ki kini dikna le kai ba PFR kinang jam smart ba kunjuru ngai display what don ki view shimat ki badalin CM ki ba play ki insan nan ta ki don sa madu ki kinwon seng balam bat ki we ki ba juile bar bor ban kriu ya ka sap ka pong Jong ki phone ki ba mi na ga pi ngautra mentang si sindan kinamben slam nga khot ya i president jang ka PFR Football Academy ba Frankie Karumnoi ban ai ka welcome speech
Pia Sobha ya i sadwarka ilo wan hali ka sa Shillong yeli ka program ke Jongi ipa tamar idei iwe baju yarap ini nagapol sa kapol ba Shekhar sa Rishi Raj badan kalang bani hali ka step pat kiwe kiri sa Sobha ka Pia Sobha du jadi sport league teams kepada isim banta hari ke tournament kepada pelong bat kepada baru ya pibaro kepada ba keban mengkesan ya yang teams hari ke step bat kawai pengkop ai ku boleh datang ya iba sam kamti iba di travel kemadan iba asobha mentolong ini ya ke tournament mentas ni bat kepada ya kesnul kaba kuju one ban cover ya di program ini haman program ini pelong kuju ya kami ban channel kaba miru itu iwe ibaju kon nagasan ini te tadi ini kubai sibon batu penyatu bahai pibaro
kadai halor kanong dem bang ikwa ban ai ke platform nang ba kini ke platform kanlong kata ke platform bagi kena kin develop can learn habaro kidang nang ba ha kawai besti injui ba limba kom kini hansan ikna kan kieu hakar kom nilakai jeki ini ketika ka thong ba kapsan e jungi isu su hoi pring game dan kejingjam ba kejingjam rei ke sim ba ka ni ke jinglakai kan dei tang ka jinglakai ba pin aila ji kun ti ji ba kan develop ha ka jinglakai ke jongki kombana du si banikong nilapan pau ba in kwa ya kinuki each fraud ban entertain hapo kani ka tournament the day halor kani ka nogden ikwa ba kani ka tournament bagi kena ibadisha i right each players nilakai but the players tiba hak aju karta nomor ba hisham haki snam kibalalai haki tournament tiba fair ni simbenda kada don hi players tiba each fraud kemod kadang sibun kejima yakini kena rip benilakai nomor ibun pelaki injuries habailakai beti kena tiba spirits nam yelede berkumjuru ikwa ikini kena betin develop yakar kumlakai ti katung karta kejeki keni ke benta kaba objektif joni ke tournament bani tournament bagi tim sebaro tiba isi menta hakane ka tournament menta timwan rasha de genuine players nang ba penjui bagi ki khôn ki jong ki ya kin la ban nilakai katung ka level ke jong ki bat ki khna ba kadio karta bat ki pa ka PFR Football Academy how banai December kan let bin yaw khon ya ka under 11 but under 13 international super cup ka banlong hapo Bangkok but Thailand bajakan ni invitation nila yo pediang napo ka iSports Lingba ke Prithvi Sports and Event Management bagi League Coordinator Jong kani ke International Super Cup teni pan ke jingkesan napi ki pada Jong ka jela Jong ka rihi bora kawai nomor kani nomor ni in lead and represent ya ka state bajai karihi bora kawai
ni lanang i uso nang mi subun kana ya import menta hadu ba pendet jalam ni kitna juti ban mi khmat lalong kumi ga julai bật công du sẽ đủ cho Thailand băng cấp cầm đi cái bolong cái bớt sức.
So just a short introduction from myself. I am Rishiraj Talukdar. I am from Guwahati. I am a sports person as well as I run a sports management company in Guwahati, where we look after various sports events, tours, high performance camps and so on. So the relationship between PR is like we did way back during the tours and all. So the thing which I admire about the academy is that the coaches are really well and the way they train their children is like, it's very good, I have seen. And also the support from the association and also support from the parents, which is very good for the development of the parents. So that's like, it's a very good thing to see for the football development. And things which we have discussed with PFR is that we'll be looking after the marketing, scouting, and also like player management, which will include like participation of different league, like as sir mentioned regarding the Bangkok league and also upcoming tour in Delhi. Plus, we are also planning a big tournament in January, which we'll be announcing soon.
Hadir kini nak yang jumpa agilang lipada isa ya ka mementus nak benda nomi kuat juga Prithvi Events and Sports Management.
Prithvi Sports Event Management, but PFR Football Academy. Hak ini kesini benar seperti Shillong Jong Meghalaya bahwa benar Januari lalu kerap terjadi, hadu kerja terjadi. Mengi batu Prithvi in Shillong ya ke international ya ke Shillong International Youth Cup Under 15 category. Banyak kali lapang nam tasi pada tempat di Rishiraj ban Plie kali ka momentus na kamanta kali ka Shillong International Youth Cup. Shillong International Youth Cup kali ka under 15 hakaba itim sama napo mengaya kali Tang South Lee. The rest in the Nabarno country, but not Wigi state, Jong Jilla. But Japan International Youth Cup, the under 15 Shillong International Youth Cup, and Pulang Hante Hapo, Madanam Krak, Kaduka Karate January, Hadu Kanyotari January, Arhajar, Arthur. Crazy board.
Polisi boy makan gitu.
I just want to congratulate all of you here, and we are going to bring this function here, so this function is open now. Thanks a lot.